Do you want a quick and easy recipe? Here's one for you. Bean sprouts. Get 2 baby leeks type of thingies and cut off the ends. Then slice them into chunky pieces. Get a few mushrooms. No, that's not enough. We need a couple more. That's more like it. Cut them into chunky chunks, and at this point start regretting liking mushrooms so much because it takes some time to cut so many. Take a moment to appreciate your efforts. Heat up some oil in the pan. Put the chunky leeks and stir until it looks mushy. Add a chili to the mix to spice up your life. Add the chunky mushies and let them brown up. Stir, don't let it burn. Fill up that pan with as many bean sprouts as it will hold, and then some. Salt to taste. Mix it well with mushies and leaky leeks. And voila! It's finished. Cook some rice and dal in a rice cooker. Add salt and ghee and some water and stir it around. Serve in a bowl or just eat from the pan. Let's not pretend we're fancy. Or for the sake of the video, let's pretend. Have your person taste test it for you before you eat to see if it'll kill anyone. Yeah, seems legit. We can eat. Enjoy!